Hi, welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me. Today we're going to have a quick look at how to edit in Clipchamp, edit video that's ripped from YouTube via OBS screen capture software. And then we're going to learn how to edit these rips quickly and trim them and upload to YouTube. So the first thing we're going to do is set up Clipchamp. Open Clipchamp in your search and control. Most Windows 11 computers come with Clipchamp loaded. If you don't have it, search Clipchamp and go to the official website, Clipchamp Video Editor by Microsoft. Do go to this site, and when you're there, you'll find download for Windows, Mac. Of course, I've already downloaded it. Now we're starting OBS software screen capture. We're going to YouTube, finding the video we want to copy. Here it is. This is actually one of mine from my music channel. So make it full screen. Take it back to the start. Make sure it's, 1080p. Let it run its course, recording what it is off YouTube you want to record. So, okay, this is just an example. So I'll scrub through it to the end of the song.
The world is changing.
So we're scrubbing through to the end. Here's where the video ends. We're still capturing via OBS screen capture. And there we are. The video's finished up playing. Now, go and find the video that you just captured. It'll go to your My Videos. And right-click on it and open with Clipchamp. It brings it into Clipchamp's program. And it lays it out on the timeline. Now we just play. See, there's where we started with OBS recording. We hit play. Now we're going to want to find where we got it set up at the right screen size, full screen, 1080p. Just dragging it back here. And I'm scrubbing through to find where we get into the video. Here it is. And I'm still trying to find whereabouts that point is. There I shifted to 1080p. And I made it full screen. And I dragged it back to the start. Now, here's where we want to put cut. See the little scissors cut? And cut all that crap out at the start. Drag that back. Now we're at the start of the video. We'll scrub it through to the end because we know it recorded all the video. Pull it through. And if you wanted to, you would cut just like I showed there, in and out, where you might want to take something out. Now we want to find the very end. We're going to do, so that's roughly the very end on that frame there. Get the scissors, do a cut, and remove the end of that video that we don't want. Now come over to export up the top. Okay, it's going to try and, in the new mode, export it to the cloud. You don't want that. Turn that off. And it'll take it directly to your downloads. I've got the pay version, so it'll give me the option to do 4K if I wanted. Free, just 1080p. So here we go. Hit export. And the video has now been mixed down to, it'll end up in your downloads. There it is. So go to your downloads. We go over to downloads, and there we have it. Starting from bang on that first frame. So there we have it, from start to finish. Now from here, obviously you've now got your trimmed, tidied video ready to go to upload to YouTube. Another video I'll make is how to upload a video to YouTube. I hope that covered everything you're looking for with Clipchamp today. That's just a start. Obviously there's a lot more functionality to Clipchamp. I'm about to start using it because to its full potential. I've just paid for the full version, so And further videos, I'll upload what I've learnt about Clipchamp's other functionality. Anyhow, thanks for joining me today. We'll see you in the next video.